Hi beautiful people, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another video. If today is the first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Stephanie and you're welcome to Stephy Space. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning back to the channel, you guys. Okay, so today is 21st of December and I'm ready to set up my Christmas tree. Okay, the thing here is I actually traveled to the village. I didn't set up in Lagos because I know I definitely won't stay there for Christmas. So I decided to come back to the village. When we get to the village, I'll set up the one in the village. So yeah, I have this Christmas tree before now, so I'm not buying a new one. I have a Christmas tree. I'm going to be removing the things on it because I want to put snow on it. I want to do my own snow on it. I want to show you guys something. My Christmas tree is green. I'll be putting it here now. Yeah. So I want to add a little bit of snows. Not a little bit. I want that, that Christmas tree that has light. And this Christmas tree is very expensive. Like, and I have quite a big one and it's expensive to buy. I can't go and start buying another one. No. I tried this thing last year for my Christmas tree in Lagos and it came out so beautiful. So I want to do it again and I'll be filming it this time around. Oh my, I cannot go and buy another Christmas tree. It's not possible. I cannot go and buy that white, the one that has white on it. So I want to improvise by doing something to it. So I'm going to carry you guys along with what I want to do to it. Let's go, guys. I have to like cover my nose because of the spray paint. This one we're going to use. This one from Glow. Let me read this. I don't have disposable glove, so that's what I'm using. I'm going to be using this one because the spray paint usually stains hand, like my nails and all that. So I'm going to be using this glove and then I don't want it so much, but I want it so much. I just want it at the tip. Since snow doesn't. So this is the close look. It's looking now. Voila, we have a snow Christmas tree. Yeah. So I'm going to allow it to dry here. Not the sun. I'm just
later that same evening.
So this is how it's looking. Close look. It's properly dried, but I'm still going to leave it for some time. So it's actually very dried now, but I still want to leave it for some time for it to dry more.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing